If you own a truck powered by the legendary Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with the 5.3L or V8, here's the hard truth. This engine can run forever, or it can self-destruct early if you ignore a few critical weak points. Mechanics who see these trucks every day all say the same thing. Most failures are preventable. Let's break down the real insider fixes, the kind that don't show up in glossy brochures or dealership service plans, but absolutely should. Why the Silverado 5.3 can be bulletproof or a time bomb. The 5.3L V8, especially Gen 4 and Gen 5, is part of GM's LLT engine family, widely respected for durability. But once active fuel management, AFM, also known as displacement on demand, DO, entered the picture, things changed. On paper, AFM is brilliant. It shuts down 4 cylinders during cruising to improve fuel economy. In reality, it's one of the biggest reasons these engines fail early. Here's why mechanics hate it. Special AFM lifters are fragile, oil pressure becomes inconsistent, components wear unevenly, carbon buildup increases, and when it fails, it doesn't fail quietly. The #1 secret: fix AFM before it fixes you. Option 1, electronic AFM disabler, quick fix. This is the easiest and fastest solution. Plug a device into your OBD2 port, and it keeps your engine running in full V8 mode 100% of the time. Why it works: prevents lifters from switching modes constantly, keeps oil flow stable, reduces long-term wear. What mechanics say: it's not a permanent fix, but it dramatically lowers your risk. Option 2, full AFM delete, the real solution. This is what experienced mechanics recommend if you plan to keep your truck long-term. It involves replacing AFM lifters with standard lifters, installing a non-AFM camshaft, reprogramming the ECU. Why it matters: once AFM is gone, the engine behaves like the older, ultra-reliable LS engines. Expert insight: many engine builders say a properly deleted 5.3 can easily exceed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. The oil problem nobody talks about enough. AFM doesn't just stress lifters, it also wrecks oil control over time. That's why oil maintenance isn't optional, it's survival. Change oil way earlier than GM says. Forget the dashboard oil life monitor. Do this instead. Change oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Use Dexos 1 Gen 2 full synthetic 5W 30. Why? Keeps lifters properly lubricated, prevents sludge buildup. Maintains oil pressure stability. Mechanic insight: most lifter failures they see come from extended oil intervals, not mileage. Clean the oil pressure sensor screen. This tiny part causes huge problems. Located under the oil pressure sensor, gets clogged with debris. Restricts oil flow to lifters. Symptoms: false low oil pressure readings, random ticking noises, intermittent engine issues. Cleaning or replacing this screen is cheap, but ignoring it can destroy your engine. The hidden killer: carbon buildup. Modern versions of the 5.3, especially direct injection models, suffer from intake carbon buildup. Install an oil catch can. What it does: traps oil vapors before they reach intake valves, keeps combustion cleaner, reduces knocking and power loss. Why it matters: without it, carbon builds up on valves, hurting performance and efficiency. The transmission fix most owners miss. Here's a surprise: your engine might die because of your transmission. Thermal bypass modification. Many Silverado transmissions don't circulate fluid through the cooler early enough. Result: overheating, fluid breakdown, the dreaded Chevy shudder. Fix: modify or replace the thermal bypass valve so fluid flows sooner. Expert take: transmission heat is one of the biggest silent killers of drivetrain longevity. Simple maintenance that saves thousands. These aren't flashy, but they matter. Clean your throttle body and MAF sensor, prevents rough idle, avoids reduced engine power warnings, keeps air-fuel mix accurate. Cooling system maintenance. Flush coolant every 60K to 100K miles, prevents overheating and head gasket failure. Spark plugs and ignition health. Replace plugs on schedule. Misfires can damage catalytic converters and engine components. Warning signs you should never ignore. The lifter tick. If you hear ticking that doesn't go away when warm, gets louder over time, you may already have a failing lifter. Ignore it, and you risk camshaft destruction, full engine rebuild. Blue smoke or high oil consumption. If you're adding oil constantly, something's wrong. Common causes: AFM-related ring wear, valve seal issues, PCV system problems. Reality check. Burning oil is not normal, it's a warning. What real mechanics say: Technicians who work on GM trucks daily consistently point to three truths. 1. AFM is the root of most major failures. 2. Oil maintenance is everything. 3. Small preventative upgrades save massive repair costs. One experienced engine builder summed it up perfectly. The 5.3 is one of the best engines GM ever made, once you remove the stuff that ruins it. The ultimate survival plan for your 5.3. If you want your Silverado to last as long as those legendary older trucks, focus on this. Disable or delete AFM immediately. Change oil every 3K to 5K miles. Install a catch can, address transmission cooling early, stay ahead of small maintenance items. Do these consistently, and your Chevrolet Silverado 1500 won't just survive, it'll outlast most modern trucks on the road. Final thought. There's no magic trick here, just smart prevention. The difference between a 5.3 that dies early and one that runs forever isn't luck. It's whether you act before the problems start.